Hello guys, today we'll be doing a simple tutorial of how to draw Hello Kitty. To start off with the ears. And then you need to move to the top of the head. So I'm drawing very lightly. You need to draw the other ear. So it should look something like that. We're gonna move on to her face, which is an oval shape. So notice I'm drawing many strokes instead of one perfect stroke, just to get the shape of her face faster. Okay, next we're gonna draw her eyes, the other eye. Followed by her nose. And then her whiskers. Same for the other side. Move on to drawing her body. Something like that, and then we're gonna draw her feet. From here we're gonna draw her arms. So they look like triangles. Same for the other side. Draw her hand. Finally, we're gonna draw the ribbon. So when you're done, you're gonna go over with marker. So I'm using red, black, yellow and blue. So we'll have to add a thicker layer of black. And then when you're done, remember to sign your work. Don't forget to drop us a like, subscribe and comment what you'd like to see us draw in the future. Thank you and have a good day.